Pronto is a dynamic, advanced event broker that enables real-time business responsiveness. With Pronto, once you're given access to the dynamic event catalog, you can see all the enterprise events that you have been given permission to. Pronto manages the authentication and authorization of these events so that only the correct stakeholders have access. In this demonstration, we are looking at a catalog populated by smart infrastructures events, for example, smart cities and smart buildings. So to look at city vehicles, I can search the catalog for vehicles or location events. To look for information from smart meters, we simply look for the related keyword. Let's take a look at a use case involving parking meters. Here we see a number of catalog entries that have to do with parking meters. But how do events get published to the catalog? Pronto can receive events from any kind of source, either directly or through our enterprise connectors. On this screen, we see the events landing directly in Pronto from a REST call on the topic /meters. Any message that comes into the platform in this topic is routed to the catalog as the enterprise event /meter/parking/raw. But if we look closer, we can see there are multiple publishers, including one coming from an MQTT source. So Pronto is acting as a broker of brokers in this regard and consolidating all of these like messages, which could be coming from many different sources, like Kafka, AMQP, all into a single enterprise event that any interested party with permissions can access. Let's make the events more usable by enriching the data using Pronto's filtering, transformation, and contextualization features. Here, every event sent to the enterprise event /meter/parking/raw is enriched by subscribing to it and building an app to make the transformations. Notice how the occupied readings have an image path associated with them. Using the app builder in Pronto, we can construct an application that filters the events. Meter vacancy is separated from meter occupancy. And low-code routines perform license plate recognition on the image captured by our smart parking meter. Both the vacant readings and the occupied readings are published back to the catalog for use in other applications. Our law enforcement team thinks that they can use some of the data to potentially identify certain kinds of safety issues. Having been given permission to the event catalog, they subscribe to just the occupied meter readings and create an application that takes the license plate data and compares it with a service that provides current Amber Alert information, such as vehicles involved in abductions. When a match is found, the service sends an alert to all law enforcement officials through text messaging, as in this example, or directly to officers' in-car computer. In our final use case, we'll look at a department that believes they can also use this data to help better understand the usage of these meters and help motorists on the go. In this application, we subscribe to both the occupied and vacant catalog entries. In the application builder, we perform some additional enrichments, such as meters geolocation by reading a database of the metered locations. We'll also update the data store with the status changes of the meters, so we always know exactly which meters are occupied and which meters are vacant. The Pronto data streams can be integrated with any application framework. Here you see the data being used by a web application to display a dashboard showing the real-time state of the meters for a given area. And here, a mobile application helps motorists find the closest available parking spot and shows them directions of how to get there. As you have seen, Pronto is a high-productivity, low-code, dynamic advanced event broker, providing a massively scalable, searchable event catalog with the security necessary for event-driven applications and the application building features for advanced filtering, contextualization, and transformation of data. For more information about Pronto, contact us at VANTIQ.com.